Etra-chan saw it. I'm Karin. I got married last year to my husband, Katsura. I live together with my husband and my mother-in-law. Mom, I'm going out. One day when I went out to go shopping... Hey dear, what's up?
Karin, sorry to trouble you. I forgot something at home. Could you bring it over to the station?
What? I'm on my way to the store. Why not ask your mom?
I just called home, but no one picked up.
Huh? But she was just there.
Really? Maybe she's taking a nap or something.
Alright, fine. I'll go back. I'll check on your mom too.
Thank you, Karin. Sorry.
Don't let it happen again.
Yes, ma'am.
After I hung up, I turned back and went back the way I came. Then... the accident happened. There's been an accident! Wait, that car! Is that ours? Wait, that means... No! Oh... Mom! It was my mother-in-law. Why are you here? I mean, are you okay? I'll get an ambulance right away. Fortunately, she was going to be okay. But she must have hit her head. She was kind of dizzy. Where is she going? She's pretty old. Does she have dementia? Wait, maybe she had a stroke or a heart attack right before the accident. Karin-san. What's wrong? Why? What's the matter, Mom? Why did you turn back? Huh? I was trying to run you over. Huh? I could barely hear her. I was probably the only one who could hear her. But she was right. If it wasn't for my husband, I would have kept going and I probably would have ended up injured or even worse. What? She was trying to run me over?
Are you sure she said that?
Yeah.
I mean, I knew she wasn't your biggest fan, but no way. I'll ask her myself.
What? But...
if she really went after you, I won't forgive her, even if she's my mom. Mom, how you feeling?
Katsura, I messed up. The doctors were done with her by the time my husband got here. She was fully awake. The police questioning for the accident was an hour away.
Hey Mom, I heard from Karin.
Heard what?
When you were in the ambulance, you told Karin you were trying to run her over. Did you really try to kill Karin?
What are you saying? Run her over and kill her? Give me a break.
Oh, alright. Phew.
Yeah, I just wanted to hurt her.
Huh?
I'll come out and say it. I don't think Karin is the right girl for you. So I thought maybe I'd injure her and leave a few scars on her face and body. Thought that would turn you off, you know? So I got in my car and waited for her on the streets when she went out shopping. She should be here any minute. Now! What? Why did she turn around? So it's actually Karin's fault. Why do I have to go through this anyways?
Mom,
What is it, dear?
the police are coming to question you. You're going to get arrested. You're pretty old, so you might be in prison for the rest of your life. But I'm never coming to see you. I never want to see your face again.
What are you saying, Katsura? I'm not getting arrested. I haven't done anything wrong.
If you did something bad to me, I might find a way to forgive you. But you went after Karin. That's it. Goodbye, Mom.
Sure. See you at home. Dinner's ready. Don't wait for me.
Karin, I'm so sorry to put you through this.
It's okay. Later, she got arrested for attempted murder.
My mom, she was receiving infertility treatment. She was pretty old when she had me. Not sure if that's the reason, but she's really protective of me. I don't know. It's like she was living my life just for me. She's old, I know, but I think something was wrong with her to begin with.
You okay?
Yeah. You? Anyways, I'm glad you're okay. Thank God.
Since then, my mother-in-law started sending dozens of letters every month to my husband. Her letters were pretty normal, but at the end of the letter, She always wrote, "When are you getting married? Can't wait to see my grandchildren. Azumi."
ご視聴いただきありがとうございました。車でぶつかれば大怪我どころか命まで奪ってしまう可能性が高いというのに、どういう思考回路なんでしょうか。それにしても息子と別れさせるためなら殺人者のレッテルを貼られてもいいということなんですかね。発想がぶっ飛びすぎです。皆さんはどう感じましたか？コメント欄に書いていただけると嬉しいです。また少しでも怖いなぁと思った方、チャンネル登録と高評価をお願いいたします。